Dear viewers, Drishti IAS welcomes you to the new series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Bridgmanite. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Some researchers studied a meteorite from Katol, Maharashtra, which was from the meteor shower of 2012. By studying this meteorite sample, scientists can decode how Bridgmanite crystallized during the final stages of our Earth's formation. Now let's understand what is Bridgmanite. Bridgmanite is a magnesium silicate mineral, MgSiO3, the most abundant mineral on Earth. It is also called silicate perovskite. Any material that has crystal structure similar to perovskite is generally categorized as perovskite mineral. These minerals were first discovered in the Ural Mountains in 1962. The mineral was named in 2014 after Professor Percy W. Bridgman, recipient of the 1946 Nobel Prize in Physics. Various computational and experimental studies have shown that about 80% of the Earth's lower mantle is made up of Bridgmanite. Now let's compare Bridgmanite on Earth versus meteorite. In the Earth's mantle, the Bridgmanite is formed from the decomposition of ringwoodite. The transition of ringwoodite to Bridgmanite marks the bottom of the mantle transition zone. This zone is located at a depth of 410 to 660 kilometers. The Bridgmanite is not stable in the Earth mantle. The Bridgmanite in the meteorite was found to be formed at pressures of about 23 to 25 gigapascals generated by the shock event. Now let's discuss Bridgmanite in India. On May 22, 2012, meteor showers occurred in Nagpur. The largest meteorite from the showers weighed 1 kilogram. In October 2021, the scientists published certain results based on their research on the Katol meteorites. They decoded how Bridgmanite crystallized during the final stages of Earth formation. The previous samples of Bridgmanite found in Tenham and Shizhou meteorites were different from those found on the Earth. However, the Bridgmanite found in the Katol meteorite closely matched the Bridgmanites synthesized in laboratories. Now moving on to the prelims-based question. Consider the following statements regarding Bridgmanite. 1. It is a magnesium silicate mineral, MgSiO3, the most abundant mineral on Earth. 2. The Bridgmanite is the most stable material in the Earth mantle. 3. The Bridgmanite in the meteorite formed at pressures of about 23 to 25 gigapascals generated by the shock event. Which of the statement or statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only, or 1, 2 and 3? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.